Hi, welcome to our little family homestead. It's your girl Keisha, and today we're going to be trying to make our own DIY potting mix. Okay, so we're going to be mixing some coco coir, and we're going to go ahead and take us some hot water. And we're going to just take some hot water and we're going to break this down. I'm trying not to saturate it. I'm going to just go a little bit at a time. And you can find coco coir on Amazon. We got ours off Amazon actually. And you can find it at your local nurseries. So I'm just going to go ahead and just break this down. It's pretty neat how it expands. This is actually our first time doing this. If there's any way that we can save money, we do try to do that. Everything's gotten so expensive these days. And we really wanted to come out and get this done while the weather was a lot more nicer here, because it has been cold the past few days here in Texas. Especially with that winter storm and everything, and these hard freezes we've been having. And it's a nice, beautiful day out here today. Okay, so the coco coir is all expanded and out. Now we're going to add us a good compost mix to this. I think we're basically going to try our best to do like a ratio of maybe 3-to-1 of whatever we're adding. So coco coir, then the compost. We try to do our own research and learn, because it always helps to look things up and read on it and watch videos. We got this compost from our local nursery. Okay, so we got this all scooped. We're gonna mix this in with our coco coir. Okay, and we're just gonna mix this all in. So if any of you all have any tips or tricks or want to share anything, feel free to comment down below. Because like I said, we're learning, trying our best to learn, and it's a lot to learn in this process. And we're welcome to learning as well, and suggestions and tips are all welcome. Okay, and now we're going to add some vermiculite. And this will be about a gallon of the vermiculite. And we got this off of Amazon as well. And this vermiculite is supposed to be adding good aeration and such to your containers. Add a little bit more. Okay. I'm just going to dump that on in here. Just going to mix it all in. And this should store for a very long time. Just need to put it in a sealed container. Once you're done, and voila. Here is our potting mix that we shall be using for our plants. Okay, and so it's all mixing. And we're just going to dump this in here, and like we said, it should store for a very long time. Obviously, you can make as much as you want, as little as you want. Praying all goes well. This works out. So yeah, and we just want to share some scripture with you before we go. Ephesians chapter 3 verse 20 says, "Now to him who is able to do above and beyond all that we ask or think, according to the power that works in us." And we just want to remind you that God can do and go far beyond whatever that is that we think, dream, or imagine. Just place your dreams and hopes and give them to Him because we put our hope and trust in Jesus. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.